How to log food using the new Awaken180 app. How to log custom meals. First, navigate to the home page in your app and tap on the Log Food button. Tap on the plus icon on the rightmost side of each meal type, for example breakfast. Select the time you had your meal by sliding the numbers up or down, and then tap the Confirm button below. Note: please be mindful of the AM and PM option. And tap on the Your Meal button. You can type the name of the custom meal you're looking for into the search bar at the top. Once the selected food is displayed, make sure to place a check mark in the checkbox by tapping on it. Note: if you need to adjust the serving size or the fraction, you can do it here before tapping the Add to Log button below. Finally, tap the Add to Log button below. If you have questions and inquiry about this topic, contact us at 413-307-3758 or email us at support@awaken180weightloss.com. Thank you.